Hi everyone, so this is my case that I did a repair job yesterday. My patient at 26 of age, what he did was 6 months ago he did a hair restoration in a different clinic, and unfortunately he didn't like the results of his hair restoration done in a different clinic, in the sense that the hairline was a bit kind of feminine for him, and also the angle, direction and the density was very poor. So he came to see me after 3 months. He really realized that something was not right, and I told him, well, it's 2 months, next week after 6 months after procedure, and definitely I will do a repair job, and I'm here to help him so that he gets back his confidence back again, and he believes that hair restoration is the right way to go. So I do my best to help. In the sense that I try to bring back their level of confidence, and that they come in a very sad feeling, doctor, help me, help me, help me. I'm here to help. Waited for 6 months for me to do this repair job.